it's very hard to find. I'm going to move here in a minute and show you the building, then we'll go down inside of it and see if Duke will let us do a tour of his place. Here's what it looks like from the front. He used to have a sign out here and it's gone now. It's very hard to find. But we'll be going down here and taking a tour through the factory here. Get backed up. All right. Okay. I got one of them too. These are nice. All right, we're on.
All right, my name is Ken Green, and we're fixing to go on a plant tour of FOX Manufacturing Company. Okay, we'll start down through here.
Okay.
Okay, this is the assembly area over here.
All right.
Put the motors together. There's the big boss himself back there.
Yeah, Duke Fox. Yep, there's Duke Fox. You notice he's working. And we're assembling engines here at the Fox factory.
They got a gauge to hone.
Yeah, Duke does a lot of his own honing.
This is our motor assembly area where they prime out, put them all together.
Yeah, you got everything there is.
He's building combat specials right here, right there.
All right. Here are a bunch of Fox Combat Specials.
Yeah.
Dan Bill.
And at the Nationals, by the second round, it's the only motor left in the competition.
Well, they're the best combat motor made. Rods. Jets.
George? Here, Will introduce you to these Tulsa boys. This is George Mahan from Texas.
Oh, glad to meet you, George. Name's D. Hill. We're taking a video down here at the Fox factory.
Well, you've got a good place to take videos of.
Yep.
How you doing? I'm from Temple, Texas. I fly with the Hot Max Club out of Waco. Oh, is that right? Yeah. We have a big fun fly coming up on the 6th.
Oh, is that right? Down in Waco, Texas.
We had a lot of prizes. Last year we had 74 entrants in.
And he builds them up and he does all the repair work too.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is where the Fox engines are repaired right here.
This is my first time on
This is a Fox engine that got 340 flights on it. It's making a little bit of noise. And Larry's fixing it for me.
Okay.
Don't do much to it.
I got one out there.
In spite of the noise.
I think the shaft is down on it. Kind of feel like it's kind of grab it.
You run into some thick air up there at the shell.
Yeah, right. These carburetors, 1925 carburetor. We're making a run at 25 right now.
Oh, okay. These are the new Mark X carburetors.
Right. Mark 10 series.
Mark 10.
The 1925, right?
Okay.
Gene Sullivan, he's the builder of it.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go this way now.
Right.
Department where we make all the flow plugs up. These are spot welders over here where the element wire is welded to the stem and then to the housing.
Okay. And there's all the pieces of stuff. Yeah, let's take a look. Bad stems, RC 2 volts, short stems, miracle stems. All the parts needed to build.
Okay, the separation machining is done, like the recording and
This is the big machine shop.
drilled. All second operation machining is done in this quarter.
Big building. Now run up, the test cells are right up here.
Individually tested. We make 10,000, we test 10,000.
All right, let's look at it. There's the starter motor right here. Here's your little test cell. And there's the exhaust fan, and this place smells like castor oil. And we've got Packmaster and Ace Master, show the props, and various things. Notice the ear muffs for ear protection. Okay?
Drill the head and drill the mounting, all in one operation.
One of the engine parts here. Go, Clyde.
We're all getting ready for sandblast.
All right. Is that a machine to shine up parts?
Right. And then there's the one that's polished. Actually, that's the vibrator polisher with the glass bead to cover that for.
Okay.
The material is loaded into this end, and the tooling is set up on the other end, and the turnout crank. That's it. If you want to walk up there, get a picture, see better walk.
Okay, this way here. All right. All right, here's the worker. Here's the machine. Slow plug, believe it or not, is where they start out. There's Walter. He came down with it. Yeah, these are parts we're making right now.
The pot where we melt the material and not that 500-ton machine here.
Okay, casting machine.
They load the die-cast tooling in and then pour the molten material in. Parts come out over here.
These are crankcases. Very expensive. Okay, that's where they make the fuel.
We don't make it. We don't sell fuel. That is the fuel shed now.
Okay, let me go fuel shed where they used to make fuel here. And Fox has a flying field back here. It used to fly. And they don't do much of that anymore. There's a big methanol tank. Okay.
Die-cast, we do all these in-house. Make all the molds. Okay, this is our grinding line. Where we put the finished grind on piston, cylinders, crank, shaft. We'll do the internal on these too, right here.
Okay.
We're set up, we can do centerless or internal, any type of grinding that comes up, why, we can handle it. Deburring beans, getting them ready to go to the machine over the second operation. This operation. We do all our own tool and die work for all our machines right in this area right here.
Okay.
Shipping area, that's our last area.
This is the stock room and where they ship engines, all this in this area.
This is where we keep all the parts as we make them up.
Okay.
We have repair parts going all the way back into the 40s. We can repair motors that was built in the 40s. We can still furnish repair parts for them. We have an antique price list that we've made out for anybody that wants to know what we have. We have a catalog of antique cars.
Okay. I'd like to pick up some of those. I'm sure a lot of people in the country would like to see them.
We'll pick you up. These are special items. These are all reverse cranks for the various engines. Some people want to make twins, and so we make reverse cranks for all of our motors. We get an order in today, as long as we get it by 2 o'clock, it's going to go out today. And somebody calls and wants a part, we know we got it because we got it labeled and in the bin. And the motors are stacked on the shelf over here. It's where we box in this area right here where we box all our motors.
Okay. Do you say you no longer sell fuel or manufacture either one?
We make fuel, yeah. We just don't ship.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
That's good. We were going to buy some.
We'll try to fix you up. If we got it, we'll try to fix you up. We don't make it for shipment, and we kind of gone out of the fuel business, so to speak. But when people come, why, we try to take care of them.
Oh, that's good.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
That's it?
Now we're going through the office and let you buy whatever you want.
I'm just getting where he goes. I'm getting in his way.
How you doing? Okay. The gal that does most of it.
Okay.
Now let me see. You need some help? Okay.
Okay, Mr. Paul, to the hobby shop.
Okay. Now right here is the Rice Betty Fox's office.
Okay.
This is where the boss's wife works.
All right. See, she likes to travel, I think.
Yeah. Hello, Frank. He's up there, and I'll take care of this down here in a minute. Yeah. Okay, and this is Duke's workstation.
Okay, and this is a bunch of awards on the wall.
Yeah.
And there's a hobby shop down here that most people don't know about.
Yeah, this is the last place we take people to so we can talk them out of their money.
Okay. Look at that, Gieske Noblers.
Yeah, I just got those in.
Yak 9s, Ringmaster, P51s.
I had to go to Top Flight to get them, but I just got them in.
Now, Fox used to make the Fox handle, which is still highly prized.
Yeah, it was a non-profit item, so we had to drop it from the line. There wasn't enough sales for it. The way we manufactured it, it just didn't pay for itself at all.
I've got 2 of them, and they're not for sale. They're beautiful handles.
Yeah.
I like them.
Yeah, we used teak wood on the handles, and it was a good handle.
Well, and here you got all your display items here.
Yeah.
Your engines for sale.
Yeah. Right now the cupboard is kind of bare, but it's getting be filled up. We're working on 40s, 45s, 50s, Eagle 4s, and 74s.
You're making 74s again?
74s.
The old original 74?
No, this is the new one, and what it is made in the Eagle 460Ks, but bored out to a 74.
Okay.
And it'll be, matter of fact, the orders coming through on them are about 2 to 1 in favor of the 74s.
They like the bigger engines.
Yeah.
All right, good. We got some fuel in here, so I can buy some. That's great.
Yeah.
Do you have any of the sleeve bearing Fox 40s? You know, not the ball bearings, the sleeve bearing Fox 40s?
No.
They'd have to be ball bearing then if we bought some.
Yeah. We have nothing above a 25 anymore that's a sleeve bearing.
Except
You
of
don't
course,
have the 40s?
Huh?
You don't have a 40?
Well, see, the only 40s we have are double ball bearings on.
You don't have the sleeve one
No.
for control on?
No.
Yeah.
No, we have no sleeve bearing motors at all. Everything above the 25 is a double ball bearing motor except for the 35 stunt. Everything else is a double ball bearing motor.
There's Fox wheels, Fox motor mounts, props, big fuel bulbs, rubber bands.
There's our new anniversary 35 stunt.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got one of these.
Yep.
It has changed.
This is the 40th anniversary. Fox 35. Nice numbers. They go to closeout on wheels, Clyde. $1.50 a pair for 2-inch wheels.
Where?
Right here. The Fox wheels. That would be worth getting. Those are the Piper Cub hub wheels.
Mm-hmm.
Then they got 1 3/4 and some spinners. 1 1/2 and 2. Oh, well, I'll find them. And then we got a bunch of Fox parts up here on the wall for sale. All right, sir.
The other thing that might be of interest is in-house, we give a 40% courtesy discount to everybody that comes in on everything that Fox manufactures.
That's good to hear. We're going to spend some money.
Okay?
Well, thank you for your tour,
You're welcome.
and we'll take some more a little later.
Okay.
Factory and it's lunchtime. This is where the customer's engines are on order in the build-up area, or pardon me, the repair area. And if you look, he has boxes of salvage engines.
What's the carburetor on this, please?
And they use
I got a minute.
a lot of the obsolete engines they can repair, just for salvage parts. Of course, now there's everything in the world here. They've got spare parts, rear covers, and all that. And there's just a lot of parts storage down here. There's carburetors and everything else. This is a pretty big building. The width of it, gosh, it's about 50 yards wide. It's huge. This is looking down towards the shipping area where they've got spare parts off back in that direction. And like I say, everybody's eating lunch. parts repair is right there. And of course, everybody sitting around chawing the fat. This is a Saturday, and they're working overtime, so they're selling quite a few engines, especially that 40 pylon motor seems to be doing quite well. Well, I'm going to shut off now. This is interesting right here. This is Fox 35 salvage. And I got to looking in here. There's a 40th anniversary. It was cracked and warped all to heck. And believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, Fox 36X. It has been run to death and is black and got traded in, I'm sure. And there's all kind of versions. There's a fairly late model. There's a muffler tied on one. Old Fox 35. Now why they're junk, I have no idea. They just are. There's a bright silver case Fox, which looks perfect. There's something wrong with it. Something wrong with every one of them, or they would have repaired them. But I just thought that would be an interesting thing to see. They do have a bunch of engines back here. Okay, they're working on Clyde's engine right now. Clyde's got a Fox 45 that bit to dust, and Duke and some help are reassembling it. And they put a different case on it, a more modern case, and now Clyde can buy a muffler to fit. We're mainly stunt freaks, and we like mufflers. Of course, a lot of people don't in control line. The control line is coming back, and it's alive and well, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you. We wanted to buy some Fox 40 bushing engines, but they haven't got them produced yet. And we'd rather run the bushing engine than the ball bearing because it's a lighter engine. And I'm going to mount mine inboard because I feel you get a better run out of your motor if you mount it inboard in a profile. Matter of fact, inboard in a full body chip would probably get a better run. But now there's a lot of theories on it. Wendy Ertnowski and Big Jim probably wouldn't agree with it, and it may not be true, but from what I've seen, it seems to be true. At least on the Schnurl engines. Jim Lee told me he was having real good luck with the OS 40 FPs, that they didn't go rich and go lean like a lot of the Schnurl engines do. It's pretty quiet here right now because we're on lunch hour. Man, it is hot.
We like it.
Yeah. I'd hate to pay the air conditioning bill on this place, I'll tell you that right now. Hardly afford it for my house. And Clyde Case is famous with you know it not because Wendy sent a ball link lecture to him. Wendy and his cat. It is nice living in Tulsa because Fort Smith is about 2 hours away. And it's always fun to come down here to the Fox factory. I wouldn't go to the K&B factory if it was close because they don't care about control line pliers. If they don't care about me, I don't care about them. Junk room, here's a 1952 model Fox 59 rear covers.
Rear rotor downdraft.
Yeah, rear rotor downdraft. We got con rods, Fox 59 thrust washers, Fox 59 crankshafts, Fox 59 pistons, the RC valve, crank, long shaft instruction manuals, heads, ladies and gentlemen, full bolt heads, back plates, 2-bolt back plate. See that? Crank, the old crankcases. Here's some sand casts. They look, well, they're early model die cast 3-bolt cases. What's that engine?
It's an old Bluehead 60. This is one of his first 60s out.
That is a massive son of a gun, isn't it?
Twin plugs.
Yeah, the old twin plug thing. unbelievable amount of old parts you can get. Just goes on forever. 049s,
07s, 09s, 010s.
everything there ever was. Oh, did you ever find a needle valve for that 09?
Not yet. I think I know where it is.
Okay, well, why don't you introduce yourself?
Okay, I'm Mike Hunter. I'm technical advisor, shipping clerk. Just about anything they need done, I do.
All around good guy.
All kind of good guy. More than anything else, I'm a fanatic modeler. This is like a pig in a slot bin. My profile, I shouldn't say that.
Thank you.
But I've been working for Duke on the payroll 11 months. For working for him though 15 years, all of my RC and control line life. Control line since I was about yay high. But just about anything you need, just about, if we got it, I know where it is. I can put the finger on it in a minute or two. That was an
09 needle valve.
Needle valve assembly.
Tapered thrust washer for 49 to 51 Fox in here. Old Fox 29 heads. Just, it boggles the imagination, ladies and gentlemen. 049 little spinner nuts. There's a Fox 60. Did you?
Yeah, they're out here.
Oh, okay. Okay, let me just, you could spend hours here. Look, pardon me. These are all just full of engine parts. It just boggles the mind. You just can't believe this. More parts than I've ever seen. Obsolete 19 bushing crankshafts. Unbelievable. This is the Fox factory, ladies and gentlemen.
You need a needle valve?
Yeah, needle valve. What for?
Oh, these are for the 15s and the 19 control line.
Okay, there's enough needle valves there to move the world, I think.
That's just one of them.
Okay. More parts. You could spend forever back in here. What's this?
07 RC cases.
Were they all RC, or is that a control line?
No, that's an RC case. The only ones we got left is the RC case.
You can't do you have enough parts to build any 07s?
I think probably a few. Not many.
That's too bad. That was a pretty nice little engine. Here we go. Look at this. Unbelievable. It boggles my mind. There's just so many different...
Remember the old Hawk?
Yeah.
Redhead 60, that was the first Neuro 60 he made. Screaming machine. We still got new parts for it.
Yep, anything there is.
Don't have cylinders for that one anymore.
Okay.
No more cylinders.
We could just go on forever. Parts. Nobody's ever done, I don't think, done a video of the Fox factory, but it's unbelievable. Like I say, you could just spend hours. It's hotter than the Dickens out here, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you. A bunch of sleeves. They are working hard out here. They're running a full shift. Fox 35 stuck. Here we go. What do you need for a Fox 35 stuck? Parts. Everything. We got motors. Hone. Duke does a lot of honing. Probably said that. 35 cranks. Oversized mounting holes. But they weren't happy over that one. 35 stud rear covers. Just Unbelievable. Cylinders, pistons, control line clips. 29 rear intake tubes for a 29X, gotta be 29X. Good Lord. Rear intake crankcases for Fox 29Xs. Fox Rocket crankcase. Carburetors. Rods. Piston and cylinder assemblies. Fox 36. 15 schnurls, 36X bushings. Man, I ain't believing this. If you got an old Fox motor, I'm here to guarantee you he can probably fix it. You got to tell him you want to keep the motor, you know, and you don't care what it costs if you really want it, but they can fix anything here. I am impressed. I'm serious. It's nice it's only 2 hours down the road. And over here, like we say, there's just so much. I don't know how this is coming out. I hope this turns out to be a good video. This is fantastic. I'm going to walk back up front. And again, there's more bins full of parts. These are later model. Oh, reverse rotation crankshafts. You need one? We got them. Everything you could dream of. We've got it. They've got it. In here, more parts. Everything you can think of. Extensions, fiber washers for bell cranks, nuts for bell cranks, small bell cranks. They have got it. Spinners, conical spinners, no slots. You get your mind boggled to the point where you just can't believe it. And here's the main shipping area. I'm going to shut off, guys. I'm burning out.